Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma. We service Tulsa and Oklahoma City for investors, residential real estate, and this is an update at about the end of July 29th. Well, the things like I've been saying before is if you're looking for a place to live in that you want to own and you want to get your children in school, it's too late. It usually takes 30 to 45 days, as I've said before, and to get a mortgage in place. And school starts here in about 2 weeks. And so now we're in this kind of situation where I think it's just a perfect time for investors to do things. So, and another development that I'm very, very happy about is rates went down today. And so for an investor with a few points, we can get you down to a 5.99% interest rate with 25% down, 5.875% interest rate with 30% down. So this makes a huge difference because we were 6.625, then kind of gradually going down, and it's gone down again. And a lot of this has to do with inflation and the fact that core inflation is really low at this point, taking out the volatility of things like energy or like food, it's down around the target thing. And so they're talking about a September reduction in interest rates from the Fed. And hopefully that will kind of propel us as we go forward to maybe seeing rates go down even a little bit more. But what I'm also seeing right now is existing home sales. I'm looking through the MLS, looking for fairly recent property. I don't want to get 20, 30 years old. I want to get within 5 years old. And I'm starting to see some price reductions, not a ton. Today I identified 7 homes that I thought looked really, really good, that may be even more negotiable in a price, where we can also get a closing cost allowance and get things, if there's any minor things that need to be fixed up, then we can get that taken care of. Now, I'm also seeing a ton of properties where they're not reducing it. If you see a property that's been on the market for 50 days, I saw one that was $255,000, been on the market, a long time, and they only reduced it $2,000. I'm not going to waste your time and mine in terms of trying to see what they're going to do. I want to see people that reduce prices on a regular basis, that kind of a realtor that understands the time's clicking away and you've got to get it sold. So about 7 homes existing that I've identified. Also, our builders have been opening up with more property for us, both in the Oklahoma City and the Tulsa market. So I do want you to know that that's there. And I'm finding a few opportunities in existing duplexes. Found one the other day. We're going to go check it out. It's in the Edmond market, which is a powerful market. It's got renters in there, and if the condition is good, it may be something that I recommend. I know what kind of price I want to offer for you on it, and it's not what they have it listed for, but I do look at what they owe on the property, because it also tells me if they don't owe a whole lot of money, then, hey, we've got some negotiation that we do here. If they owe a lot of money, then I understand why they're not doing price reductions. They can't afford to do it. They bought it too high. So that's where we are right now. We have a lot of opportunity. Rates went down today. Is a perfect time for investors to get going because the owner occupants are out of the market. Our people and builders really, really want to sell.